If you love frozen cocktails, you're absolutely going to love the Ninja Slushi. Just got this last week and absolutely love it already. This is what the unit looks like right here. Really, really nice. Actually, really compact. You just scan this to get started below right here. So what we're going to do here is you're going to put your liquid up top here. So that just lifts like that. So you could see here all your different options. You could do a slush, a spike slush, frozen juice, frappe, milkshake. So what we're gonna do here is you're gonna put your liquid in here. It also comes with a nice booklet full of recipes, which is awesome. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna power this on right there, and then you're gonna select what you want. So if we wanted to do a spike slushy, it's gonna give us the temperature that it should be on. You can adjust this yourself if you want. If you want to do a milkshake, you'll see here the temperature jumps there. If you want to do a slush, it stays there. The frappe requires the least. You'll see here, this is moving. So once you put the stuff in here, you need about 45 minutes to get it chilled, and then you're ready to go. And then once the liquid's ready, you just pull this lever down, fill up your glass. It also comes with a glass holder right there to catch any drippage. Absolutely love this thing. So if you're looking for a great professional frozen drink maker that's easy to use, easy to clean, definitely check this out. Can't wait to make a lot of holiday cocktails using this.